Welcome. In this video, we will be learning the characteristics of the Sun. Sun, the center of the solar system, is known by several names, each standing for heat, light, magnetism, ether, environment, atmosphere, etc., without which life in any form would be impossible. Being biggest of the all planets, situated around 92 millions of miles away from the Earth, it requires 1 month to transit through the 30 degrees of a sign. During the period, the Earth has made 30 rotations on its axis, directly each time around the Sun. It may be kept in mind that Sun and the other planets are stationary and the Earth is rotating on its axis, appearing before each of them, though it appears as if our Earth is stationary and all the heavenly bodies are in motion. Sun is Prana, God Brahma, responsible for four seasons and five elements fire, earth, air, and the other water, but he himself is hot, dry, and masculine. He promotes bile and baldness, especially if it is in feminine signs. He is the lord of the east, soul of man, Kshatriya, possessing sattvic qualities, sometimes tamasic also. He governs Grishma, that is the month of June and July. He symbolizes gallantry, monarch, and royal insignia, develops obstinacy and cruelty, causes illness of the eye. All the planets become combust or set once in their revolution when they come within orb of 8.5 degrees of the revolution near to his conjunction. His domain is over jungles and forests. Ruby is the stone, metal is the gold, ruled by Sun. It is strong in Aries, Leo. Hora is on Sunday, noontime, while entering a sign in the Amshas of a friendly planet and the 10th house. Hottest in summer and strongest in northward journey. Writes fire, favors great politicians, diplomats, doctors, surgeons, scientists, poets. They are born when he is in his southward journey. He promotes in human beings their physical, mental, and spiritual abilities, grants vitality, keeps them free from sickness, devotion, love, inspiration, insight, feeling, and emotion, zest, reflection, and meditation, status and honor, magnanimity, boldness, longevity are also granted by him. When moon enters from a when moon gives a form and personality, the sun grants an individuality to the native, with a will, force, and mental firmness. He is the ruler of the kings and those in authority. Moon is his greatest reflector. Natives born under its influence have honey-colored eyes, large and round face with complexion and hair of lighter shade. Ailments signified by sun are headache, fever, marasmus, dysentery, etc. Fear of punishment through disrespect to deity or Brahmins. Reflected sun makes the native haughty, narrow-minded, vain, boastful, and short-tempered. Now we will see what happens if sun is in 12 signs of your horoscope. When sun is in Aries, the native is eloquent in discussion, learned, militant, violent, active, energetic, wandering, strong, self-confident, bold, bile and blood problems, charming. Exalted sun will grant authority. Willful, rash, religious, and insomnia are signified by Sun in Aries. Sun Sun in Taurus. Eyes and looks defective, tolerant, tactful, wise, jealous of barren women, affluent, fond of music, danger from water, firm, patient, and obstinate. When Sun moves into Gemini, he symbolizes sweet, affectionate, witty, learned in various disciplines, more technical than general, noble, wealthy, generous, astrologer, charming, versatile, positive, and strong. When in Cancer, generous, proud, polite, geographer, firm, anti parents, relatives, administrator, unfortunate as a partner, good looking, prosperity through attachment to home and family, phlegmatic and jealous. When in Leo, Sun in Leo is its Mula Trikona. So when in Leo, it gives these characteristics: mountaineer, victor, violent, enthusiastic, sober, talkative, rich, famous, landlord, ambitious, and cannot act in subordinate position, and kind-hearted. Sun in Virgo, frail, shy, weak, learned, writer, devoted to father and guru, Vedantist, instrumentalist, courteous. Sun in Libra, rude, mean, wicked, much traveling, loss of honor and wealth, living by metals, jealous, service, debauchery, disrespect from superiors, early marriage, sincere, impartial, and intuitive. Sun in Libra is considered as debilitated. Sun in Scorpio, ugly, disrespectful, danger from harm, fire, and poison, mean, greedy, short tempered, quarrelsome, a liar, marriage denied or with a wicked woman, religious gain from narcotics, liable to accidents. Sun in Sagittarius, wealthy, devoted, sharp, warrior, tactful, calm, charming, strong, help and respect for Brahmins and clansmen. Inventor or discoverer, intuitive and mystical. When in Capricorn, greedy, timid, friendless, wicked, wandering, glutton, debauchee, poor, family, dishonor, a good master and good servant. Aquarius, debauchee, hard, trouble, unpopular, poor, wicked, unfaithful, backbiter, sons denied. And in Pisces, blessed with wife, son, and friends, victor, renowned, rich, many attendants, visionary, gain from shipping, photography, pearls, gain by legacy, partnership, or marriage. Thank you.